How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Hbar update. We were successful with the Hbar call. It was looking a lot like Bitcoin, how it was printing a higher low over here. This was our suggestion after the breakout retest of this upward sloping resistance, coming back to this descending sloping resistance, now a support, holding that 20 EMA, and we saw that exact tap of that line, and we were suggesting yesterday that all of these lines are valid. We were also above the moving averages, and we were also suggesting that even if you do come down to the 200 EMA, we are still keeping this uptrend. So I am expecting Hbar to pump and look to break this resistance. So we got back up to that resistance. We rejected it at first. It looks like we are failing to break this high over here. So with these wick rejections, it is actually telling me that there is a resistance in the way. That is this to the left. If we do not see breaks of this high at 5445, then we are going to roll over. So what I do like at the moment, although we are rejecting, signaling that price wants to continue down, as we did come down, we tried to go lower than this purple line, and we can see that we came down all the way to the 12 EMA and have currently gone back above this resistance point over here, reclaimed it, and there's only 2.5 minutes left of this 4-hour candle. So it's very interesting times. If it does actually manage to close above, I would again need to see 5445 cent to be reclaimed, guys. I need to see a 4-hour close through this, otherwise we will get this continuation lower. So it's nice to see that we did call this nicely, that from this candle over here we were going to pump, and the lowest we wanted to go was down to that wick, which was pretty much in line with this 200 EMA. So while maintaining above that 200 EMA, we should eventually continue with this uptrend, and that's what we're seeing right now, very early stages. Can we then continue to hold this as support to then push through this resistance over here? This is what we actually need to see going forward to get this continuation of this uptrend, to reclaim the 1 Fibonacci and target 5829 cent. This could be a pump of, from current price right now, of a further 9% pump. So very nice that all these moves are playing out as predicted. If you do remember, we have been calling for this pump ever since it started coming down to the 1414 area. This is where we were looking for Hbar to head up from. And so from this area, even if we just take it on the reclaim of the 20 moving average over here, we can see price is now up 13%, with potential to go up even higher to about a 23% pump. Now guys, when we scale back over to the daily time frame, we can see the 200 EMA there at the 786 fib. So that's why I only measured it up to that point. We can see on the daily time frame today, we have attempted at trying to break that 1 Fibonacci, which comes from over here at 5400 exactly. So nice psychological level over there. See a daily candle close above that point, and we're good for continuation to that 786. So we're seeing what the 4-hour needs to do, as well as that daily time frame. Guys, please do support the channel by liking, commenting, and also subscribing. Over half of you are not subscribed, and if you were, we'll be very close to 7,000 subscribers. So do help me achieve that. If you can share these updates, that's much appreciated. If you need any further assistance, if you need any guidance or coaching, or want to join my Discord community, private message me over on my Twitter. All the links you need can be found in the description down below. And if we now head over to the 1-hour time frame over here, let's see if there's anything to look at over here. So we are above all the moving averages. Again, on the 1 hour, it's essentially saying that we could come down to the price of about 5 cents. So let's just use this psychological level. As we are above 5 cents, this is what's essentially holding us up. We can see that to the left over here. So by maintaining 5 cents, it's going to give us this opportunity to eventually break out over here. Again, on the daily time frame, we need to see 5400 reclaim. Now on the 1 hour, it's a little bit different to that high over here. Can you see that's a little bit higher from 5400? It's a little bit higher, so we would need to see again a daily candle close above this point. But yeah, if we want to get that immediate short-term pump, then we need to break through this. As we can see over here to the right, there's a lot of resistance over here. So yeah, maintain these moving averages and we should eventually burst up. If we now come down, as this is still resistance, look to the left, the structure is giving us clues that we are failing to break that on multiple 1-hour periods, guys. So we are looking to roll over here. That's what the wick rejections are saying. So if we were to roll over, I want to see these moving averages hold. Not necessarily that we have to come down to the 55, but it would be nice if we did come down there to eventually continue higher. Again, you can dip all the way to the 200 EMA, but I think, yeah, these are what are holding you up in the short term. If it fails, maybe get a short term bounce and it rolls over and resets that 1 hour chart. But 1 hour is bullish, 4 hour is bullish, and daily is bullish. We can see down here that we've just got a daily bullish cross, not the one that we are actually used to, but a precursor. We have the 12 crossing over with the 55, and on that we can see this breakout retest of this inverse head and shoulders over here, which I was calling ever since down here that we would see, and price targets up here at the golden pocket. But although we've been calling even since before getting down there that price would get up there eventually, the 200 EMA we can see is in the way. So please understand, although we have three things pointing at the golden pocket over here, this previous head and shoulders pattern's right shoulder as the target out of an ascending triangle, which would be the neckline over here, just like this. We also have that inverse head and shoulders, as well as just that prediction that I showed as well, because we bottomed out at the 1618, formed a higher low, and that to me suggests that price wants to go back to the 1 fib level, and on the reclaim of that 1 fib level, price does continue to that right in head and shoulders pattern. However, in the way stands the 200 EMA. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section if you believe we will get trapped at this head and shoulders neckline over here at the 786 fib as resistance, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, whether we will listen to the Fibonacci rules and actually head to the three targets over here, or stop at the 786 because the 200 EMA is there. We could get a move like this where it gets above, that would be nice, but so essentially if we get a move like that, it's flipping it back into resistance, essentially saying it's a fake out. So we need to pray for higher lows again, otherwise could continue to new lows. We won't need to worry about that right now, we'll take it as it comes, and right now the path is attempting to go up unless we fail to close above that 1 Fibonacci, fail to close. So although I've said all these bullish things today, if you fail now to close above that 1 fib level, which is 54 cent, then we are looking to come back down. We've just formed that bullish cross, so that is a key level of support. It was also that inverse head and shoulders neckline over here, so that has now become support. I will get rid of these other trend lines over here, just because I believe that they're in the way. The other inverse head and shoulders over here is looking like it's about to break out as well, so that's this ascending resistance. So yeah, need to break out of that. I'll just show you this quick target and then we're done for today. But yeah, it just takes a minute to support the channel. It really does help get more views and get more eyes on the YouTube video. So please go ahead and like this video and comment if you can. And we've got a further target to the upside that is above the 786 fib, waiting for the breakout. So we put this on the breakout potentially today or tomorrow. And yeah, if it of course fails to break out through the 1 fib level, through this purple box of resistance and this inverse head and shoulders neckline, then the expectation is that we do return back down to these moving averages, and this is what's keeping us in a daily uptrend. If they are lost, we now start a daily downtrend, and I will further update you guys. So do stay tuned, do stay subscribed, and keep your notification bells on. Make sure your notifications are turned on in the notification center on your phone settings, so you actually do get them. And yeah, remember that over half of you aren't subscribed, so please do subscribe if you want me to teach you, guide you, coach you, join my Discord community and profit along with us, giving you long-term investments when I'm DCAing, levels to DCA even if I'm not personally, and targets for future bull market, targets for all the cryptos. There's over about 20-30 cryptos in there. We've got a bull market targets for you guys to start DCAing out of the market as well. So everything you need in this community is there to succeed. You just need to join or take action on the course, which will allow you to get £60 worth, which is 3 months of membership totally for free if you take action on the membership or the course. For more information, just private message me. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.